How Blinkit delivers in just 10 minutes. I worked through 1 month in a Blinkit as a full-time worker, so I can explain you in more deeply than others. Everyone explains you about how the products are picked and packed and delivered, but I will also explain where it comes from, where it placed, and many more things. Blinkit present in 16 plus states, 30 plus cities, and Blinkit have 1,301 dark stores in India. Dark stores are those where products are stored and where picker picks the items from. Products are transported in mini trucks to the dark stores and then put away happens. Put away is the process of placing products in the mentioned location. The workers will scan the crates and then they will scan the barcode of the product and then the mentioned location will be shown. Then they will place the product in location and then they will mention the quantity of the product that they are placing in that location. Main important work, picking and packing. In the picking process, picker gets the order list and then he will go to the racks and then he will find the products and then he will scan the barcode of the product and then he will pack the product in a branded bag of Blinkit. Then it will be given to the delivery boy and then the delivery boy will deliver the products. Audit refers to the stock verification activity that ensures the physical inventory matches what's recorded in the system. It helps to reduce the missing items because if any missing item found when auditing is happening, then they will search the item, then they will place the item is found. If the item is not found, then they will reduce the inventory quantity in the system. FNV. FNV is a dedicated category focused on fruits and vegetables. Workers have to throw the decayed fruits and vegetables by identifying a lot of times in a day. The problems of Blinkit: expired products because of auditor fault, wrong products because of picker fault, missing items because of picker fault, spoiled vegetables because of auditor fault. If the mistakes happen, then the refund amount will be credited to your account if you raise a complaint against that order.